Hey folks, so what if I would be just simply asking you that whether your quarantine period is actually getting productive or not, right? I understand that in India, but even on globally, just due to COVID-19, there have been a lot of situations where we all are just like absolutely locked down in our homes. Right now, like it is not allowed that we should be walking out or we should be just roaming around in the streets. But anyhow, what if I would be suggesting you that since this lockdown has actually decreased out the economy of a lot of more countries as well, what if I would be actually telling you the 5 major secrets through which you can earn around almost 20 to 30,000 INR, especially in this particular quarantine period. What the liabilities or what the capabilities, it actually depends upon you, but I would be telling you all those 5 major pillars in this particular video, which will be helping you to even improvise your skills as well as to earn as a kind of a part-time, just since you are just sitting at home and just getting bored, or instead of just scrolling out your Instagram feeds, you can actually scroll up your mind and can increase your productivity, whether in terms of knowledge or either in terms of earning, right? So don't forget to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this particular channel, the cyber agents, I would be just appealing you, don't forget to turn that bloody hell red subscribe button into gray. Don't forget to press the bell notification to receive any tech communication, any tech notification about cybersecurity, artificial intelligence and blockchain. And if you aren't the part of yet of our family, that is the cyber agents, just go to the cyberagents.com and just register over there. And now let's directly jump into those 5 major pillars. Okay, so I understand that since this is lockdown and we are actually looking for those 5 major pillars, I would be first telling you what these 5 pillars are, and then we will be actually digging in a very brief, because I actually don't want you to tell you the complete history or to tell you the complete procedure to just get started with that. And if you want me to complete all those procedures one by one, then you can definitely just appeal it in the comments, and I will be definitely looking forward for that to make separate videos especially on these 5 major pillars. The first major source of an earning during this lockdown can be blogging. I hope that you must be aware of what blogging is. Blogging is actually when you are just writing something, when you are just posting up your articles, and when you are just posting them over internet. Okay, let me figure out few of the best blogging platforms where you can just do this. Suppose since you are a kind of a person who is so interested in cooking, otherwise if you are watching us, so might be you are interested in AI, blockchain or cyber security. Suppose if you are a cyber security geek, you just recognize something new, you just learn something new, you can just monetize up your knowledge over internet just by using a platform which is known as blogging, right? So blogging is a kind of a technique where you are just expressing up your views over internet, sharing out your different opinions on different topics. This could be everlasting, and this could be something which will be just improvising yourself, as well as now how to earn through blogging. Okay guys, there are a lot of more opportunities in the over internet. How you can connect with these opportunities? I would be preferring you that you should be available over LinkedIn. LinkedIn is something I'm personally in love with, because here you can actually get a lot of internships. Now how blogging can help you is, there are a lot of internships which are running during lockdown, since a lot of more people are just sitting their homes, they are just getting bored. What you can just do, there are two options. Either you can get any internship from LinkedIn or internshala.com. What this internship means, right now in this lockdown, the startup period has like almost you can say around 500 to 600 new startups have been launched during this lockdown. Now these startups are actually looking for their content marketing, how to post up the content. Here, since you are a kind of a good blogger, you know how to write, you know about advanced fundamentals of normal English, what you can just simply do is you can contact them either through LinkedIn. Otherwise the best website is freelancer.com. freelancer.com. I hope you must be aware with what freelancer is. So when you are just developing out any kind of such an hobby, you are just going to freelancer.com. you can do any kind of a job over there just for a short duration of time. In fact, what this can actually help you out, in internship you can actually earn around 10,000 to 15,000 very easily on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn you can just post out in the internships, you can just scroll out for the job opportunities. Either you can go to Internshala, otherwise you can simply go to freelancer.com. here a lot of more companies have posted out data entry jobs, have posted out a lot of kind of a blogging network post, like you can just come over us and you can just market with us. What you just need to go there is that you just need to create an account simply on LinkedIn or either Freelancer. On Freelancer, once you have created your account, you will be redirected to the complete job post. You just need to submit a bid means registration for that post, and this person will be definitely calling you back or will be trying to contact you back so that you can work with them in their own company. So this is how the first way where you can simply earn, and almost I guess that the average time would be around just investing around 7 hours per week. So it almost like 7 hours per week, that's not even a big deal. You can just invest your 1 hour per day. Just from these 24 hours, you just need, I'm just requiring your 1 hour, which will be definitely making your lockdown more productive when it comes to earning source. Now moving towards the second source, what it is, let's discuss about that as well. The second stuff actually comes with a name which is known as e-shopping or e-commerce business, right? Okay, I understand that when this particular term arrives, wow, like what about e-commerce, what is drop shipping, there are a lot of more content which you just need to dig upon, but you are not actually able to get it, that how actually e-shopping works. What you can just do is, I am telling you a procedure which is known as affiliate marketing. Okay, what affiliate marketing is? In this case, understand this hierarchy level. There is a manufacturer, okay, there is a retailer, but now since you are looking for a freelancing opportunity, you want to earn in your lockdown, you will be working in the mid of these. So between manufacturer and between retailer, you will be working as a source. How this can be possible? I would prefer you can open up your own online store on shop101.com. shop101.com. If you want that I should make another part of this video over this, you can definitely comment out. What you just need to do is, you can make up your account on shop101.com, or either you can make your account on shopify.com. To be very frank, shopify.com is a bit expensive, since you actually need to get it only provides you a 14 days free trial. That's why just in this lockdown, what I am just telling you is, you can simply go to shop101.com. you can just create up on their account. There are almost 10,000 plus products. What you just need to do is, it is very simple, kind of a very easy process. Just go to your Play Store, download the Shop 101 account or Shop 101 app, just create up your own account, create your own shop. This particular application will be providing you your own website customizingly, and you can set up your products. Now how this process is actually working on, suppose I am a manufacturer, I have built almost 100 books, right? And now I have like made my 100 books completely available on Shop 101. Now you contacted me. That is a very simple easy process. Listen to call me, I will be giving you an example, right? You just contacted me and you said that I will be helping you to sell all your 100 books just by sitting at your home, right? So I just said that yes, it's completely fine with me. Now suppose the cost which I am giving you for a particular book is 20 rupees. If I am just selling you a book in your 20 rupees, it's completely up to you that whether you want to sell it in exactly 20 or 25 or even 100 rupees, right? This how it actually works. The complete 80 profit will be yours. I would not be looking for that. This how Shop 101 is actually working on. You can simply set up your discount coupons, you can simply do any stuff. What you just need to focus upon in this particular stuff is, when you are just building an e-commerce website using Shop 101, you only need to focus upon one thing, that is known as marketing. How you would be getting clients, right? So this clients can actually be worked through blogging, can actually help you out in your local networks. You can just tell your friends about that. This is a kind of a part-time job which only requires 10 minutes to 50 minutes per day, 10 to 50 minutes. And then how much you are devoting, how much time you are devoting yourself in this particular business, it's completely up to you that how this particular business will be scaling up. I hope it is making sense. Now moving towards the third pillar, we have done blogging, we have done e-commerce. Now it's a part of internships. What internships are? This is now, this particular stuff, this particular third pillar is not actually just limited to cybersecurity, AI or blockchain, but this can actually be extended to anyone. Right now, since I have already explained, a lot of startups are rising, right? What you can just simply do is, you can go to internshala.com. internshala.com is a website which actually provides you a lot of free content, a lot of internships which can just help you out to invest your time. Since you are just sitting at your home, you are just doing WFH, that is work from home, and you are looking for a part-time source, you can simply go to internshala.com. You can choose any kind of an internship between 1 year to 1 month to 2 months, and they will be paying you at least more than 10,000. You can just decide up what you actually want to do, and this how you can build up your own source of income. So this can be a kind of a best example for you if you are looking for any kind of a field. It can be either graphics designing. If you are a good graphics designer, you can just approach them, you can just create graphics for them. Otherwise, if you are a cybersecurity researcher, you can just post out articles for them. You can either build your networks between LinkedIn, between Instagram handles, and this how it will be benefiting them, since they are getting you as a kind of an asset, and secondly it will be helping you since you are getting up a part-time source to earn. Right now, moving towards the fourth pillar. The fourth pillar is one of my favorite, and that is known as digital marketing. Why I am saying it as my favorite? Because it's a kind of an amazing source of income when it comes to your knowledge, when you are just investing up your time. I would be preferring just invest your 1 week to 3 weeks in this particular lockdown, since this lockdown will definitely be not stopping in the just within a 1 month. But since you are just doing this, between this particular 3 weeks, you will be able to learn a lot of things about Facebook, Instagram marketing, how these are actually working upon. Now what happening is, guys, that whenever a person is building up a startup, even the further more companies, like a kind of a bigger companies, take it as an example of Netflix even, these companies are marketing up their products, these are selling up their products using the using advertisements, right? But to be very frank, running advertisements on any social media platform is seriously a bit headache, because these companies are not firstly having a kind of an good kind of an employees which can just be so educated to just implement their product or to implement their time in this particular digital marketing stuff. But here you comes as a kind of a big role or big asset for them. Just invest your 1 week to learn about how to simply target audience on Facebook while posting up your ad. This would be only requiring at least a minimum budget of 100 rupees, that's all. You just need to invest your 100 rupees, that is even to just build your self experience, right? Once you are getting up a work experience just by yourself, you can just go to internshala.com, you can go to linkedin.com, you can approach to a lot of clients, because finding out clients is seriously very much easy when it comes to digital marketing. And this how you can actually grow up your product. Trust me, in market, digital marketing has a high savage value, and that is almost like if you are just contracted with a person to run their advertisements on Facebook for 1 month, they can even pay you 15,000 to 20,000 rupees very easily. Because right now in India there are very less people who are so educated in digital marketing. Even the digital marketing is coming at an automation state, automation state. Everything will be automatic very soon till 22nd century. But this how you can actually build up your work experience. You can also get a kind of a part-time source. Now finally the biggest revolution, that is the fifth pillar. This is the fifth pillar, and trust me, this is not a kind of a source of income, but it is the source of knowledge for you. I would be preferring, there are a lot of websites in lockdown, not websites, but these are the institutions. Take as an example of Coursera. You must have heard about Coursera since you are watching me, and of course since if you are watching me, you must be a kind of tech passionate, I should be assuming that. But if you're just watching me, and if you are not yet aware what Coursera is, what Udacity is, what Udemy is, what the cyber agents is, not yet, but what Coursera is, what Udacity is, what Udemy is, what EDX is, what ICSI is, then we are not aware of what actually going on in the market. The point is, during lockdown, all these big institutions, like all these big websites are actually selling up their courses for $0, completely free. Now here comes a major role. You can just invest up your time as much as you can, just do as many certifications as you can. I have already completed almost 6+ certifications just within the last week, and that is about data science, about Bitcoin management, about blockchain hyperledger controversies, and about more in what do we say that, certified network security specialist. So you can do a lot of more courses which are available over these websites, and this would be definitely helping you. This is not a kind of a source of income, but this would be giving you a much better experience, a kind of an amazing experience. What you just need to do is, now you would be asking me that how I can actually find out the free courses, right? What I would be preferring is, that you just need to go to Google, you just need to type down using Google Doc. If you haven't yet watched my video about Google Docs, like how to narrow down your search results, how to get effective search results on Google, you can watch the video which is appearing over the suggestion, and this can actually helpful for you. Just using Google Docs, you can simply list down your queries, especially just go to Quora, you can just comment out there. If you want me to enroll in this, you can join our WhatsApp community, the link is in the description below. We will be connecting live over there. Otherwise, I would be preferring the best source to get a lot of more knowledge at a single destination is the cyberagents.com. So it's our own dedicated social media platform for CAB community, C for cybersecurity, A for artificial intelligence, and B for blockchain. And this is how we all can together build up a revolution. We all can together bring up something which can be so much productive and so much effective in this lockdown. I would be helping you out at a very initial step to final steps, but definitely if till now in this particular video, if you are watching me till now, I guess that this video might be interesting for you. If you have any queries, कुछ भी पूछना चाहते हो, just drop down your queries, just drop down your comments in the section below, and I will definitely be letting you in touch with. And once again guys, if you haven't yet subscribed this YouTube channel, I would be appealing you, just turn that bloody hell red subscribe button into gray and press the bell notification to receive a lot of more energetic informations about technology, cybersecurity, AI and blockchain, and be the part of the CAP community. Don't forget to press the bell notification to receive all the latest updates. Once again, thank you so much. And once again, since you are going to enter on this particular field of making your lockdown productive, do let me know what your reviews were after, since you are implementing any of these 5 major pillars which I just explained right now. If any of this feature works for you, do let me know. I would be definitely happy if I can know that yes, I could be able to contribute a bit in your lockdown. Thank you so much. Jai.